All right, parents, we made it to our last week of online learning. It's hard to believe. It was kind of, a journey for all of us. We were in it together. And from my end, I think we made it work, and I hope you guys felt like that too. So here are our plans for May 11th through May 13th. It's going to be kind of a laid back week. But please remember to comment on the dojo post so that I know that you have seen it. So for Monday, the first activity is going to be our very last My Big World, and it's called Splish Splash Summer. And you can read through it with your child, and they're going to learn some tips about water safety. And then on the back, you can do the letter S picture find. So you'll just click on this link, sign in as a student. The password will be Casper's. The next activity will be a virtual track and field day, since we obviously had to miss track and field day. So watch for a link sometime on Monday. I will post it. It's going to be me and Kinsley doing some track and field day events that you guys can join along with as well. And then the last activity for Monday is you choose a letter activity. So talk with your child and they can choose their favorite letter activity to complete. And here's just some ideas of some of them that you can do. Letter hunt, letter memory, teach a friend a sound, kaboom, building letters, writing letters in Play-Doh, anything that they want to do that has to do with letters. Then on to Tuesday, I will post a summer safety video, so watch for that link next week as well. I'm going to cover some things about bike safety, water safety again, sun safety, just being outside, things like that. So watch for that video. The next activity is called freeing toys from ice. So this is an activity we always do in preschool. But you're going to need to do the first step on Monday or even Sunday, parents. So what you're going to do is find some small toys and place them in a container with water in it and then put it in the freezer. One thing that I do for school that works good is if you have like the little throwaway bathroom cups that are kind of like a paperish material, that's what I usually use. And put those in the freezer. And then on Tuesday, when you go to do the activity, give your child the little chunk of ice and tell them, oh no, there's a toy that got caught inside. How are we going to get it out? Let them figure it out. Don't give them any tips. See what their ideas are. A lot of the times at school, we have some little tools that go with our workbench, like a kid hammer, a kid screwdriver, thing like that. Sometimes they try to use that. I've seen some of them try to hit it on the concrete. Some try to hold it in their hands to make the ice melt. It's just fun to see what their brain comes up with to how to free that toy. And then the last activity for Tuesday is you choose a number activity. So talk with your child and they can choose anything to practice numbers. It could be musical numbers, number war, number of items hunt. That's when you tell them, number 5, and they might go find 5 Legos and bring it to you. Make up some story problems, number caterpillars or flowers, anything that goes along with numbers. And then for our last day of preschool, makes me sad to even say that, but all good things have to come to an end. So for Wednesday, watch our preschool graduation. You can watch it at any time. You can share it with family members, things like that. I'm also going to try to upload it to a application called Dropbox, and then that way you'll be able to download it and save it to your phone. If I don't get that done next week, because it will take me a little bit to do that, once I get it done, I will email or post to Dojo parents and let you guys know that as well. The next part or the next activity on Wednesday is celebrate their hard work. They might choose to eat ice cream, dance to their favorite song, call somebody and tell them about their graduation or all the things they did at preschool. Have a celebration with them. This is exciting. I'm super bummed that we don't get to have an in-person preschool graduation. That's coming from me as a teacher and also me as a parent with Kinsley. So I feel your guys' disappointment as well, but I'm hoping to make this super special. I hope you guys enjoy it. And the last activity for Wednesday is the end of the year questionnaire. So follow this link right here. I won't be able to see, it'll be who is submitting these things. So keep that in mind when you're answering the questions. Please be honest with me. I will take that into consideration. Hopefully in the fall we get to start as normal. Everything's back to the way it should be. But, heaven forbid it's not. This is going to give me some useful information on what I did great, maybe things that I need to change. So please be honest. The first 5 questions are kind of just fun questions for the students, and the remaining few questions are for parents. Thank you, parents, for your hard work. I obviously couldn't have done this without you. You guys truly made a difference in your child's learning. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Also, thanks for everything you did this year. I loved having each and every one of your kids in preschool. So, yeah, this will be the last time you have to watch these videos, and have a great summer. Thank you.